Hey team, I just wanted to give an update on ARQL swing trade, and I wanted to give you guys, a little look on why I jumped in, and give you a look at what I'm expecting from this trade. So, first of all, when you guys look here, I want you to notice that we have the accumulation curling up, we have the MACD cross and curl, we had the stock make a strong gap up move, came back, filled the gap, and then we got a reversal sign here. We got a bullish engulfing candle, followed by another strong day. And then look how it came right up to this resistance line. And that's this gap fill. Support, and then all through here, resistance. So it kind of lined up with the trade line. So we have the trade line curling up at a 45-degree angle. Number two, they're going to be at a conference on the 15th through 19th. So we're expecting some kind of PR from now to then, so we're buying the rumors, selling the news. I knew what I was looking for here. As soon as I saw this stock get denied by the 50-day, I was looking for a bounce off the trade line to see if it held. Because if it dropped below the trade line here, that means it wasn't ready. It was going to go back in this channel. But if it bounced off that trade line, that means this might be an inside day, and we might go after that 50-day moving average the next day. We jumped in on this red day here. Okay, and remember, I did this knowing that there's a catalyst coming, looking at the accumulation, making a game plan, knowing that the stock can't drop below the trade line here. So, we go to the intraday chart. Stock couldn't break the 50-day, fell all the way down, bounced off the trade line, made a move back up towards VWAP here. That means bouncing off the trade line at 8 and pushing back up. Got denied, came back, and then we got another move right here. This is where I entered at this end of the day move, because that's a strong move here when we're looking for, a test of the 50-day with news coming up. The stock just didn't crumble and go back underneath the trade line. So we jumped in here, and then we got a nice little end of the day push. Now today, the stock opened up with a nice little push. And I want you to notice when it opened up, it went right at that 50-day, couldn't break it, pulled back, and found support at yesterday's resistance. That made me feel safe in the trade. And then the stock came up, couldn't break the 50-day, bounced off a VWAP, trade line started to go up at a 45-degree angle. We broke through the 50-day, took some profits here at 860. We dipped back down, found support, and this curled on up the rest of the day. Now, my stop loss now is going to be this 50-day moving average, and I'll be looking, my next take profit will be at this $9 area, and then I'll see what happens when we get up here to $9.40. So when I'm jumping into the swing trade, I'm looking for a couple things. A strong setup, stock in an uptrend, consolidating, news coming, accumulation curling up, MACD curling up. So, that's my breakdown here on ARQL. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Like I said, guys, that 50-day moving average is going to be my stop loss now. Looking for a push up. Hopefully we get a gap up maybe to 9. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Remember guys, trade talks tomorrow. So, should be a very volatile day. I'll see you guys all in the morning.